Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. Agri Exam is here to have the discussion on the one liner questions of groundnut crop, which will be very useful for all the upcoming agri competitive exams. So without any delay, let's start this video on groundnut. Question number first, the botanical name of groundnut. As you all know that we have the classification of groundnut. The first classification, it is bunchy type, which is also known as Spanish or erect type of groundnut. So its botanical name, it is Arachis hypogaea fasciculate. It is the botanical name of bunchy type of groundnut. Second classification, it is spreading or runner type of groundnut. So its botanical name, it is Arachis hypogaea procumbens. Next question regarding groundnut. The groundnut, it belongs to the family of Papilionaceae, which is also known as Leguminosae family. The origin place of groundnut, it is Brazil, which is in South America. The chromosome number of groundnut crop, it is 2n is equal to 40. Now question number 5th, the other names of groundnut means alternate names of groundnut, it is peanut, monkey nut, earth nut, or we can say mungfali. This all are the alternate names of groundnut. Botanical name of groundnut, it is Arachis hypogaea. Arachis, it is a Greek word which means legume, and hypogaea, it means below the ground or soil. So the botanical name itself indicates that it is a legume below the ground. Next question, question number 9, the fruit type of groundnut. Here we are talking about the fruit type of groundnut, and the answer is Lomentum, and the fruit of groundnut, it is called as nut. Question number 11, groundnut, it is a modified fruit. It is a self-pollinated and day-neutral plant, and the gynophore of groundnut, it is called as peg. Question number 14, the thin cover which covers the seed of groundnut, it is called as testa. Question number 15, the most suitable irrigation method in case of groundnut, it is check basin method, which is most suitable for the cultivation of groundnut. Question number 16, the ratio of flower is to peg is to pots, and this ratio, it is 7:4:1. Question number 17, the nitrogen percentage which is present in groundnut, it is 7 to 8 percentage. Protein percentage, it is 26 percentage. The nitrogen contained in groundnut cake, it is 7.3%, and the oil contained, it is 45%. Next question, question number 21, the herbicide which is used in groundnut, it is nitrophane. The germination type of groundnut, it is hypogeal, and the IW upon CPE ratio of groundnut, it is 0.6. Question number 24, the shelling percentage in case of groundnut, it is 70%. Earthing up, it should be done after 35 to 45 days after sowing. The pegging stage is, it comes after 45 days. Question number 27, intercultural operation, it should be avoided during, and the answer, it is pegging stage. During this stage, we have to avoid the intercultural operation. Question number 28, hoeing, it should stop after, and the answer, it is peg formation. Dormancy, it is found in, as we know that we have spreading type of groundnut and bunchy type of groundnut. So the dormancy, it is found only in spreading type of groundnut for 2 to 2.5 months. Question number 30, the sowing time of groundnut, it is from 15th of July to 7th of July, or you can say In the Kharif, it is third week of June to first week of July. In case of Rabi season, it should be sown at November, and if you are cultivating in summer season, then it should be late week of December to end of January. The soil pH, which is good for the cultivation of groundnut, it is 6 to 7 pH. Next question, question number 32. Here we will discuss about the seed rate of groundnut in case of bunchy type as well as in case of spreading type. In case of bunchy type, the seed rate which is required, it is 100 to 120 kg. In case of spreading type, it is 80 to 100 kg. The spacing of spreading type of groundnut, it is 45 to 60 into 15 to 20, and in case of bunchy type, it is 30 to 45 into 15 to 20. Question number 34. The fertilizer requirement, here we will discuss. Nitrogen is to means NPK ratio, it is 25 is to 60 per hectare. Zinc sulfate and iron sulfate, it is 25 to 50 kg per hectare. It is the fertilizer requirement in case of groundnut. Next question, question number 35. The gypsum which is required for groundnut, it is 400 kg per hectare. Next question, question number 36. The Directorate of Groundnut Research, it is located at Junagadh and it was established in the year 1979. 37 question. The technology mission on pulses and oilseed, it was started in the year 1986. Question number 38. Most suitable soil for groundnut cultivation, and the answer is sandy to sandy loam soil. It is suitable for the cultivation of groundnut. Clay soil, it is strictly avoided to grow groundnut because of the presence of high moisture. Question number 39. Pod growth, it is affected due to, the answer it is soil compaction. If the soil is very compacted, then they can have effect on the pod growth. Question number 40. The dormancy break of seed by treatment. We can break the dormancy by the application of 0.1% of ethereal plus 3 gram of thiram at the sowing time. Question number 41. Most critical stage for irrigation, and the answer it is flowering to pig initiation stage. These stages, they are the critical stage for irrigation. Question number 42. The strain which is used for biological nitrogen fixation, and the answer is Rhizobium japonicum. Question number 43. The chemical which is used for floral initiation, it is NAA at the rate of 40 ppm. Question number 44. The crop which is recommended for Z season cultivation in Uttar Pradesh, it is groundnut. Next question, question number 45. The chemical which is used to arrest the germination of bunch type groundnut in the field itself before harvesting, and the chemical it is malic hydrazide. It is used to arrest the germination of bunch type of groundnut in the field itself before harvesting. Here we will have a discussion on the varieties of bunchy type of groundnut as well as spreading type of groundnut. The varieties of bunchy type of groundnut, it is Jyoti, TMV2, and in case of spreading type, it is Chandra, T24, Gangapuri, TMV1. These are the improved variety of bunchy type and spreading type of groundnut. Question number 47. The popping in groundnut, it occurs due to the calcium deficiency. Question number 48. The major paste of groundnut. The major paste of groundnut, it is white grub. question number 49. The bitterness of groundnut, it is due to, and the answer is alpha-toxin. The bitterness in groundnut, it is due to alpha-toxin. And this alpha-toxin, it is developed by two reasons. The first one, it is when the pod moisture contained, it is greater than 8%, and when there is a presence of the fungus named Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus flavus. Question number 50. Aspergillus flavus and high moisture contained in stored kernel. If this is the condition, then there is a development of alpha-toxin. And alpha-toxin in human causes the disease like cancer. Question number 52. Bird necrosis, it is due to thrips. The bird necrosis in groundnut, it is due to thrips. And roseate disease, it is due to virus. Question number 54. The root rot disease, it is related to. The correct answer, it is groundnut. Early leaf spot, or popularly known as ticca disease, it is due to the Cercospora arachideocola. And the late leaf spot, it is due to Cercospora personata. Question number 57. The yellowing of leaf, it is due to iron deficiency. Question number 58. The suitable soil pH of groundnut, it is 6 to 6.5. The more suitable soil, it is sandy loam. Which type of salt tolerant? This groundnut, it is a low type of salt tolerant crop, and it can tolerate drought. The optimum rainfall which is required for the cultivation of groundnut, it is 300 to 400 mm. The temperature range for the cultivation of groundnut, it is 25 to 30 degree Celsius. Groundnut growth, it is retarded at when the temperature, it is less than 20 degrees Celsius or it is greater than 35 degrees Celsius. Question number 65. The beginning of the 16th century introduced it from. This groundnut, it was introduced from Brazil, and introduction in India, groundnut, it was introduced in India in the half of 16th century, and in India its commercial cultivation, it was done from early 19th century. And the groundnut oil production, means the groundnut, it was used for oil production from 1840. Here we will have a short discussion on the bunchy type of groundnut as well as spreading type of groundnut. First, the basis of discussion, it will be shelling percentage. In case of bunchy type, it is 75%, whereas in case of spreading type, it is 65%. On the basis of dormancy occurrence, it occurs only in spreading type of groundnut. It is the dormancy we cannot find in bunchy type of groundnut. On the particular of spacing, the spacing which is required for bunchy type, it is 60 into 20 centimeter, and in spreading type it is 45 into 15 centimeter. In case of maturity, the bunch type, it is early maturing crop, and in case of late maturing, it is spreading type. Seed rate, it is 100 to 120 kg per hectare in case of bunch type, and in case of spreading type, it is 80 to 100 kg per hectare. So this was some of the key points regarding the bunch type as well as spreading type of groundnut. So friends, here we have discussed 60 plus one-liner questions of groundnut. For more such questions on various crops, stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.